I am attempting to fix my rear bumper on my car. I am refurbishing my BMW that I have neglected for 4 years. I have no idea what I am doing. On top of that, I've never made a YouTube video before. This does not go well. At the end of this video, I will highlight what I think are the 3 biggest mistakes that I have made during this process. This is my BMW 120D E87 Msport. It needs a bit of TLC, and I'm well up for the challenge. The work that needs doing includes full front bumper respray, various marks and scratches on the body, alloy refurb all 4 alloys, and of course, the rear bumper. There is plenty more to be done, and I'll get into that later in the video. So the first thing that I want to do is take this bumper off. The way I'm going to do it is our 8mm nuts placed around the edge of the bumper. I'm going to get my 8mm spanner, and when they're all off, hopefully it just pulls straight off with no difficulty, but we'll have to wait and see. It is absolutely filthy. So before we start tackling all of this damage, we need to get it cleaned. As soon as I've done that, I can get sanding. So as we can see, all around the edges now, got rid of any white cracks, and that's pretty smooth going up there. And that's what we're looking for with that lower course, that lower grade sandpaper. Feels pretty good now. This needs filling in. That's a bit of a dent. I'm gonna get some filler on that now. Primer on now. A few little bits and bobs here and there I've got to fit in. Tiny little bit there. Let me give it in. Primer's all done, so now I need to sand the primer and then apply the base coat. I made so many mistakes. Even here, look, you can see the masking tape. It's coming off. So I need to reset the masking tape before I sand it and then do the main coat. what a disaster. The amount of time that it took me to get started on this project, I think that sometimes you have to get started on something and figure out the rest later. That yellow patch is filler primer. It is meant to cover minor imperfections on the bodywork. Something I could have really done with earlier that I didn't even know existed until I was nearly finished. I'll be fixing all of this mess in my next video. The reason why I'm putting myself through all of this is because I want to learn how to repair cars so that one day I can sell them for a profit. I'm learning all of this at home, and on top of that, I'm studying at college to learn mechanics so that I can learn how to diagnose and fix vehicles properly. I'm going to tell you my 3 biggest mistakes and what needs to be done to the car still. But first, here is a list of some of the things that went wrong for me during this recording process. My battery had run out during filming, losing a ton of footage. My memory ran out on my phone, again, losing me a ton of footage. Even my mic died while I was recording this part, and I had to start all over again. Some of my footage that I transferred over from my phone to my laptop didn't transfer over properly, and before I could realise there was an issue, I had already deleted all the footage off my phone. The recording quality didn't always come out the way I wanted it to. Lucky for me, these are all really easy fixes, so I'm confident the next video that I upload is going to be a lot better than this one, and they can only get better. I also have a separate device now for recording, separate from my personal phone, which should solve the quality issue. The work that still needs doing. Full front bumper respray. The BMW badges, for the most part, all need to be replaced. Various scratches and marks on the body, as well as dents. Full alloy refurb on all 4 alloys. Transmission fluid needs changing. Under tray needs replacing. Jack point needs replacing. And it needs a full service. I'm confident there'll be more added to the list. Then as soon as I'm satisfied with the car, I will likely sell it. Mistake number 1. Poor preparation. I watched so many videos to try and figure out how to do the work. I should have stuck to one, written down a step-by-step guide on how to do it, and then stuck to it. Mistake number 2. Time. I would set expectations on how long this should take me, and sometimes be working late into the night, burning myself out. And last but not least, big mistake number 3. Patience. A lack of patience had me rushing the repair project, making me completely come off process at times, and ultimately is my biggest flaw during the repair work. I am completely inexperienced, well out of my depth. I take full responsibility for all my failings, and this is my honest result of my first ever attempt on repairing damage on the body of a car. If you enjoyed my video, and you're as excited as I am to see where this journey goes, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will do my best to keep making and improving on these videos.